Linear inequality means first degree. We are solving this here all first degree means degree of x is 1, not 2. I'll solve one more problem. Solve 7x plus 3 is less than 5x, strictly less than 5x plus 9. Show that the graph on the line. This is the question. Now what I'll do, I'll take 5x here, 3 here as usual. So 2x is less than 6, so x is less than 3. So this is the 3 and strictly less than, so hollow here. And nothing show on graph means it will be real. So this side all the points will be there. So x will belong to minus infinity to 3. Here equals to sign is not there. That's why it is open interval. Next problem. Solve 3x minus 4 upon 2 is greater than or equals to x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. Show that the graph of the solution on real line. So you'll have to find out when x is real and you'll have to show graph. This is important. If you write only answer, you will not get marks. So this side I will take LCM here. So it will be 4. So x minus 3 upon 4 cross multiply here by 2. So you will get 12x minus 16 is greater than or equals to 2x minus 6. I will bring 2x here. So 12x minus 2x is greater than or equals to 16 minus 6. So 10x is greater than or equals to 10. X is greater than or equals to 1. So x is greater than or equals to 1. Equals to sign is there. That's why it is dark. And real solution will be closed interval because equals to sign is there. 1 to infinity. At infinity it is open. Now one more word problem. The marks obtained by students in first and second exams are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the number of minimum marks he should get in third exam to have an average of at least 60 marks. Means first exam and second exam he got 62 and 48. Find the number of minimum marks he should get in the third exam to have an average at least 60. Suppose student got x marks in the third exam. So 60 plus 48 plus x average, because 3 papers are there, divide by 3. Minimum it should be 60, so greater than or equals to 60. I will simplify this and this will become 110 plus x is greater than or equals to 183 into 60. So x will be greater than or equals to 180 minus 110, that is 70. So he should get minimum 70 marks in third exam to get minimum average 60 marks. Second word example, find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10 and their sum is less than 40. Consecutive odd natural numbers. Both are larger than 10 and sum is less than 40. Suppose x and x plus 2 be two consecutive odd numbers greater than 10. Means why, you see, if x is odd, then x plus 1 will be even and x plus 2 will be odd. So consecutive odd numbers will be x and x plus 2. So what is given here? Each one is larger than 10, so greater than 10 strictly. And their sum is less than 40, strictly less than 40. So if I'll solve this, 2x plus 2 is less than 40. So 2x is less than 38, so x will be less than 19. So x should lie between 10 to 19. And we have to write pairs of odd consecutive numbers, pairs. So if I'll take first one after 10, first odd number is 11. So consecutive number next will become 13. If I'll take 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19. Even though strictly less than 19 is there, x is strictly 19. This is x and this is x plus 2. So this can take value 19. So this is the answer. Now graphical solution of linear inequalities. Solve this. Here remember less than or equals to sign is there. First to solve this we'll take equals to sign and we'll take points here. In this if I'll put x is equals to 0, y will become 2 and y is equals to 0, x will become 3. This is the easiest thing. You put x 0, once y 0, it will be very easy. So you will get here, when x is 0, y is 2, so this point I got. And when y is 0, x is 3, so this point I got. And because equals to sign is there, you will have to draw complete line. Otherwise, we draw dotted line. If less than sign is there strictly, then we write dotted line. Now, which side we want less than or equals to means it will be a region. So this is a line, but this is a region. So always line divides a plane into two parts, one origin side and another non-origin side. So line divides origin side, this is origin side, this is non-origin side. So which side we want for this? To check this, we'll substitute origin here. Substitute origin, that is 0, 0 in this inequality. If I'll put x is 0, y is 0, this will become 0 is less than or equals to 6, which is true. You know 0 is less than or equals to 6. Therefore, 0, 0 lies in the required region. So required portion will be, shaded portion will be the required region. This is your answer. So like this you have to solve. If it is equals to sign is there, we draw complete line. Same problem I'll take when strictly less than sign is there. Strictly less than sign, see here. So again that equals to, and you have to make table. I am not writing here. So when x is 0, y will become 2. And when y is 0, x will become 3. And because it is strictly less than, you have to draw dotted line, not complete line, or dotted line. Now again in this you substitute 0, 0. So 0 is less than 6. It is true. Therefore required region is origin side. For strictly less than sign, draw dotted line. This is for your information. You should not write these things in exam. Now in this again, if again x is greater than or equals to 0, y is greater than or equals to 0 is there, means when x and y are greater than or equals to 0, region should be in first quadrant. Here that is not there, so we are drawing lines completely this side, they go to infinity. But here our region should be in the first quadrant, so we stop here. Because it is same graph it is. I am not explaining again. So this will be the region. So this will be region. The line points on the line will not be there. That's why it is written dotted. So this is the answer for this problem. Now this problem is there. Suppose 3x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 6. Solve graphically. So I will take first equals to 0. In that if I'll put x is 0, y will be 3. If I'll put y 0, x will be 2. So it will be 2, 0, 0, 3 and equals to sign is there. So complete line. Now which side we want, we have to see. In this inequality, don't substitute here. In this inequality, if I'll put x 0, y 0, 0, this will be 0 is greater than 6. Greater than or equals to 6 you will get in this, which is not true. And therefore origin does not lie on the required region. And therefore non-origin side we want. And therefore non-origin side of the required line is shaded portion. Is the required region. Now see here. If again here it is x is positive, y is positive, it is given. So your diagram should be in the first quadrant only. So this should not be shaded. Only this part will be there. Where if x is greater than or equals to 0, y is equals greater than or equals to 0 is given. Only this. That is not mentioned here. So it will go from here. Here also it will continue.